Negative 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 4 or plus x squared minus 7x minus 5. Again, directions say to add, right? The answer in descending order of the variable. First parentheses is a minus in front of it, so minus distributes through the parentheses. It's affecting every object in the parentheses. Every object is going to change sign. So 3x cubed becomes negative 3x cubed. Positive 2x squared becomes negative 2x squared. Negative x becomes positive x. And I'm going to make it 1x. And positive 4 becomes negative 4. Notice every power of x has been accounted for there. Third power, second power, first power, constant. Constant's x to the 0, by the way. Negative 4x to 0 just means negative 4, right? So that's the 0 power of x. That's the lowest power of x. We're adding the second one, so plus all this stuff. And again, plus 1 times all that stuff. So these parentheses are more for effect than anything else. 1 times x squared is going to be plus 1x squared. 1 times negative 7x is going to be minus 7x. 1 times negative 5 is going to be minus 5. X squareds line up, x's line up, constants line up. X cubed doesn't have any matches, so nothing happens to it. So all I got to do is just add up each column. This makes negative 3x cubed. These are opposite signs, so I subtract. I get x squared. It's negative because 2 is bigger. If you want to put the 1, you can. It doesn't have to be put there. I don't like to put 1s in final answers, so I won't. These signs are opposite, so I subtract, and 7 is bigger, so it's negative. These signs are the same, so I add. 5 is bigger, so it's negative. In each case, should I add, should I subtract, what should the sign be? Okay, if the signs are the same, I add. Signs are different, I subtract. The bigger sign is always the sign of the answer. Negative, negative. Bigger, negative, bigger, negative, bigger, negative. So the final answer would be the black. Negative 3x cubed minus x squared minus 6x minus 9. Again, if you put a 1 here, it's not wrong, just not needed.